First, referee authorizes the serving by confirming both teams are ready and the server has the ball, then signaling the direction of the service. Team to serve by extending their arm to the side of the team that will be serving. Change of court by raising their forearms front and back and twisting them around the body. Timeout is a short break in the game, allowing teams to strategize, rest, or make adjustments. Substitution occurs when one player replaces another on the court. Misconduct warning in volleyball is issued by the referee to a player, coach, or team official for minor unsportsmanlike behavior. Misconduct penalty in volleyball is a more serious disciplinary action than a warning and result in an immediate consequence during the match. Expulsion is a disciplinary sanction for serious or repeated misconduct that goes beyond a warning or penalty. Disqualification is the most severe form of misconduct punishment. It results in the permanent removal of a player, coach, or team official from the entire match. Volleyball game ends when one team wins the required number of sets according to the match format. When performing a serve, the server must clearly toss or release the ball before hitting it. Delay in service is a service fault that occurs when the server does not serve the ball within the allowed time after the referee's whistle. Blocking fault or screening violation occurs when players break specific rules during the opponent's service or attack. Positional fault or rotational fault occurs when players are not in their correct positions at the same moment the server contacts the ball. Ball in refers to a situation where the ball lands within the boundaries of the court, making it a valid and playable point. Ball out means the ball has landed outside the court boundaries or touched an object or person not part of the game, making it a fault. Catch or carry, also called a leaf, is a ball handling fault where the ball is not cleanly hit but instead caught, thrown, or held. Double contact, also called a double hit, is a ball handling fault that occurs when a player contacts the ball twice in succession illegally during a single attempt to play the ball. For hits, fault occurs when a team contacts the ball more than 3 times before returning it over the net and without a legal block touch. Net violation occurs when a player illegally touches the net during play, particularly while attempting to play the ball. Reaching beyond the net refers to a player making contact with the ball or interfering with play over the across the net. Attack hit fault occurs when a player commits a rule violation while attempting to attack, spike, tip, or direct the ball toward the opponent's court. Penetration fault occurs when a player illegally crosses into the opponent's court space, either over, under, or into the net area in a way that interferes with play violation boundaries. Double fault occurs when both teams commit faults at the same time during a rally. Ball touch refers to a situation where the ball makes contact with a player, usually a blocker or defender, even if that touch is slight and unintentional.